Hi, I'm Tim Frischholz, Product Manager for EasyLink's B2B Management Services. EasyLink offers a comprehensive B2B portfolio that includes EDI, B2B transactions, file transfer, data transformation, and more to help bridge technology gaps with your trading community. EasyLink also offers a complete managed services program so that companies such as yours can eliminate the burden and day-to-day activities associated with supporting your complex B2B applications and data integration requirements. Imagine being able to redirect resources to other tasks that are related to your core business and eliminating licensing fees or the need for specialized skill sets required for managing your EDI translation software. Wouldn't it be nice to have a partner with whom you can entrust your B2B environment, who will enhance your capabilities and provide the back-end support that you need to be successful? With our managed services program, we develop translation maps on our cloud-based translation system, eliminating the need for you to write another translation map. We proactively monitor your data, ensuring successful data exchanges. We provide help desk support for your trading community. Your partners call EasyLink directly and we address their questions and concerns. And we provide regular reports so you are fully aware of all transaction and trading partner activity. At EasyLink, our commitment to customers is simple. Help our customers to be successful by providing the largest selection of efficient B2B solutions that meet your specific requirements. After all, your success is our success. Contact us to learn more.